Namaste. Myself B. Malati, a research scholar under the guidance of Dr. K. Chandrasekhar Garu. I am here to present a research paper of our research group, and the paper is related to the cybercrime. The title of the paper is A Case Study of ICT Solutions Against ICT Abuse and RTI Act 2005 Success Story. Here the abstract of the paper indicates the goal of ICT, which is nothing but facilitating information transparency. Okay, and the challenge here is transparency is more, the information transparency is more challenged than achieved. Okay, these authorities, they does not disclose the information that easily. So the appearances are that ICT has percolated into the hoi polloi. Knowledge is power, but information is a key resource for knowledge. The public authorities tended to keep the information more hidden from than revealed to common masses. Now this is the main reason, and this resulted in the advent of RTI Act 2005. Now in this paper, case of 3 decisions of RTI authority against the institutional authorities, particularly the public information officer, for abusing the RTI Act and public authority is presented, and also how the technological means has been adopted, that is a website for generation of awareness with respect to the cyber criminal organization in Telangana, which perpetrated the crimes of sedition and violation of the state. Okay, coming to the introduction part of the paper. The cyber criminal organization, which was prevalent in JNTUH in last several years, and it maintained the website which is the base for its cyber crimes. Then that website was used to organize quite many a section of university population, like 2000 people got registered in it. Okay, and this organization installed flexi banners at different spots of the university campus. Example, like the images of these flexi banners which is kept in the university is also shown in the images. Okay, that's nothing but the locations are like canteen, entrance gate, etc. The 7 photo images indicate that the organization made wide publicity of itself in the university environment, and these organization indicated that the JNTUH JAC perpetrated cyber crimes online and also offline. Because offline in the sense, because they have been campaigning in this university environment, so in that way it has become offline. Okay, and by using the website it has become online. And this paper also presents the RTI Act solutions to check the cyber criminal organization in the university academic environment. Also the web page and website approaches are also presented here for devising the technological solutions, which is a central theme of the work. See, these are the images of the banners, the photocopies of the banners. Next, the aftermath. To arrest this campaign of the cyber criminal organization, information was sought from the public information officer of JNTUH, okay, with respect to these digital images of the flexi banners. Now the relevant PIO is registrar, that is registrar of JNTUH University. The PIO failed to furnish the information. Representation was submitted to the first appellate authority of JNTUH, but it gone in vain. Then appeal was submitted to the State Information Commission. The Information Commission called the RTI applicant and the public authority in JNTUH, and the interactions took place. Realizing from the interactions, the PIO of JNTUH gave misleading or misguiding information. The State Information Commission gave its judgment or decision notice, and the copies of these decision notice are also presented here in this paper as a figure 2 and figure 3. And the central theme of this paper is it's very important to campaign for the elimination of such cybercrimes in the university environment. That means awareness generation with regard to how internet is used for migration of crimes was the task. The students obtained knowledge in the primary school education environment and secondary school education environment, but in the university level the knowledge is gone or became lopsided or is abused. So that is the piteous situation. Now this has to be undone. So a website approach for awareness generation among the student community has been devised. The web page was devised for the campaign purpose. The students also came to know and they were surprised how they were trapped in the shackles of ignorance and were responsive for the change of the environment. And that means the ICT approach for handling the ICT crimes. This is the copy of the page 1 of AP State Information Commissioner decision notice. This is the page 2. And finally, the conclusions of the paper. ICT approach for handling ICT crimes. This is a good motto. ICT has become a necessary evil in the modern age. Social networks for ICT solutions for the considered ICT abuse problem. The guidance and counseling webpage has drawn considerable response, and the students formed groups of themselves as social networks, and the cybercriminal organization is brought to the book. An FIR was filed, charge sheet was filed. Thus the cybercriminal activity became checked by Endeavors, our research group Endeavors. Thank you.